Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Audible membership. So if you find this video useful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more helpful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is select all in the top left hand side, and if you scroll down you should see Audible audiobooks, so you want to click on that. And you should bring up Audible membership, so you want to tap on that. Once you're on here, you should see settings on the top right hand side, so you want to click on there. And then if you scroll down, you should see cancel membership, so you want to click on there. Then obviously it'll give you some information. You might still have a credit that you can use, so you can obviously purchase a book or something like that if you want to do that. Then just scroll down and it should give you the option to continue cancelling, so you want to click on that. And again it'll give you some different plans that you can select if you wish to do so, or you could also pause the membership for up to 90 days if you want to do that instead. But if you don't want to do that, you just select cancel anyway, and that will cancel your Audible membership. Thanks for watching.